We asked 10 years ago. We was asking with the Panthers. We was asking with them, with civil rights movement. We was asking. That those people that were asking, they're all dead and in jail. So now what do you think we're going to do? I'm picking the lock, coming through the door, blasting, you know what I'm saying?
We ride on our enemies. From a city full of snakes, nigga, you gotta keep the grass cut. Cause you could die real fast, nigga, try to chase them fast bucks. $100 to my name, shit, I had to get my cash up. 100 pounds of loud, that shit stinking like a trash truck. Overweight lover was moving that heavy D. If you ain't gonna kill him, young blood, just let him be, man. Chill, man.
You make sure this just don't fog up. YouTube, what's good? It's your boy Wavy. I know this is my channel, Mr. Orchard Beach. If you're new to the channel, you haven't hit the subscribe button yet, hit that subscribe button, like, comment, all the above. Do me a favor, 400 likes on this joint. Hey, nah, it's kind of hot. I'll get this AC going, hell yeah. Make sure that joint don't fog up like last video. But anyway, shit, it's been a minute since I've vlogged. Ever since this weekend, I ain't did nothing. And I didn't feel like doing any on the couch stuff like, do you like the sneakers? Yes! Let me get out and about, you know what I'm saying? Before I start asking all the questions. But yeah, man, so I'm about to go to the Ville, link up with one of these cats that I work with. He on his way to Georgia, so he was like, he was gonna come through, so I'm showing what the Ville has to offer.
Like what?
Not a damn thing!
Yeah, but yeah, man, damn. A lot of craziness going on out here, a lot of craziness, but I do understand. People is fed up.
You damn right!
What you expect. But anyway, man, I think some of the ramifications or backfires, you like how I came out with that multiple syllable word now, but some of these backfires are sneaks are getting pushed back here. One in particular, snap, I gotta get my, give me a second, I gotta go get my charger.
You forget your dick if it wasn't screwed on, man.
I'm sorry.
Yeah, man, one in particular is the, well, two in particular is the Jordan 6 Hares and the Air Jordan 3 Animal Instinct 2.0s. Now, yo, them 2.0s is alright. Me personally, rocking something with those joints would be, I like them with like, probably like a darker tone. Like I'll probably rock them with some like dark jeans, but I don't want to just jump into that. Was y'all expecting to cop both pairs this week? And what's next? You know what I'm saying? You just hold on to the dough, get it back next week, try to cop something else that came up, let me know. Me personally, I would have probably gone after the Animal Instinct, but that I'm kind of like teetering, because I only want one of them joints, but I do like, because 6s is my thing, and they do look, they look alright. It's just the rockability, you know what I'm saying? Like, that's a summer sneak like hell, you know what I'm saying? But then on the backside, I think them damn I think them damn Animal Instincts are like you know, colder weather. Yeah, like I said, that's for like cold weather, but I do like them joints. Let me know what y'all close one of those two. It's cool. What y'all gonna cop?
That's really none of your business.
I mean, I have noticed that shipping has been slower ever since, you know, the COVID situation, and then you know, with the loot and stuff like that. I can see why stores are like, fuck that, you know what I'm saying? Tell them the factories, hold what you got. We'll get to them when we get to them, because I already heard about a few people already got pairs in hands, you know what I'm saying? Because they acquired them early, but yeah, man. Let me tell you another thing that I just found out about. Well, we'll get to that later, man. Let me go get a damn coffee. Mother forgot to make me some this morning. I'm gonna have to have a talk with her about that. But anyway, man, you already know, 400 likes on this joint. Follow me out. Got him.
Bro, niggas walk tall, bitch niggas like the tip niggas. The Gran Turismo all gold like it played for San Francisco. Collar cat 4-4 bulldog, nigga. Hit a crack your engine block. My work butter, Scotty Pippen shot. Swish. The block bubbling like some chicken pox. Trap house full of birds, nigga, that's the chicken spot. KFC. Black Prada sneakers go rollies in 99. You went fast certified OG Bobby John. Once you rats, stand on your name for life. Better go to jail, raise hell, I have a hunger strike.
Hey, some fresh up out of Bubba's. Damn. Yo, their wings was banging. That damn what I had, I forget. But anyway, now I'm about to hit up the mall right quick. Shout out to the homie Kareem. He worked with me up at Fordham, passing through. It's like, come check me. But yeah, I'm about to go to the mall. Go grab me some sneaker cleaner. Cause one thing that I'm about to do, and I've been bullshitting. This is how much I procrastinate. I've been bullshitting. I'm going to repaint the soles of my my sixes, the infrared, well, the varsity red joints. I got the paint, put the tape on them joints, and then I realized, oh shit, I'm gonna have to clean these joints. And I already got the tape on the joints, so it's like, you know. But it's been about a week ago, so now I'm gonna go get the damn get some cleaner for it, because I need some cleaner for my sneaks anyway. Damn, I almost got the itis right now. You know what I'm saying? It's hot today too, boy. What's the temperature? Damn. So yeah, I'm about to go up in there. I'm not gonna vlog in there because I don't really like fucking around. You know me. But yo, what do y'all like better? Do y'all with the Animal Instincts, y'all like the 1.0s or the 2.0s? You remember I had copped them damn joints, but I didn't really, they weren't really for me. I do like the 2.0s better. I ain't even gonna hold you. And another thing, on the sneaks that I had missed out on. Yo, tell me why I just found out about Facebook Marketplace. Just found out about it like I think Monday. Yeah, I'm like, bruh. I see the Flints on there, and I see the damn the Media Day 7s. Another joint that eluded me, so I don't know. Be looking out for something. Man, them damn raffles, man. Shout out to homie Trey. I mean, he be telling me when joints happen. I usually get the alert, but it's just, I get the alert, but by the time I get there, them shits be gone. Man, I don't like being followed. Yeah, them shits be gone, boy. Well, I don't know, man. I'm still gonna get them damn Flints, because you know I owe y'all top 5 best on foot with them. You know what I'm saying? Get the movement right. You know what I'm saying? Okay. Got my handicap joint right chair. We're good.
Talk to him, 150 down the skinny block, nigga. You can hear my tires scream. No top, the PNB rock knocking loud. Shit, I gotta lean. The last of a dying breed. Twin Glock 9s, they Siamese. Welcome to the jungle. You be real quiet. You can hear the lions breathe.
Okay. So I got my damn got my sneaker cleaner. So I went to Foot Locker. Got the Crep Ping Ultimate Sneaker Cleaner. Yeah, I don't really get caught up in the hype with like the brands and stuff. To me, everything that I've had has done its job. I used to like the Refresher because it came in like that big ass bottle. Yeah, it should last for a minute. I mean, this should last me about 2 months or something, give or take. But yeah, yo, it's crazy. So I'm up in the Foot Locker, and I look at this girl name tag, and I was like, That's what I think. I was like, damn. I hit up her aunt. I was like, yo, your niece working up in here? She's like, yeah. And this is where I pride myself on my stories are the truth, because you can never connect them shits just smoothly. So you remember in my video, if you haven't seen it, check it out, the outlet vlog. And I told you about that one chick that she had the heels. Not her, but I was with this chick at the time, that one. That was her daughter that worked at the spot. I was about to get on some country shit, like, yo, mom,
Hook me up. Hook me up.
you know what I'm saying? But I was like, there's no point. Like, well, she don't remember me, you know what I'm saying? She was like 2, you know what I'm saying? So it don't make no sense. But anyway, yeah, hell yeah, man. I was like, damn, you know what I'm saying? It was working already. Time flies. But anyway, I haven't figured out if I'm gonna do another vid. I probably will just keep this joint going, because tomorrow's still Friday, and I'll probably drop this joint for the weekend. But yeah, man, no, I never really get caught up in brands. It's just all work. So hell, I'm good now. So another vid coming up will be me repainting the soles on them damn infrared 6s, well, varsity red 6s. But anyway, see you when I see you in a second. If not, we out.
On the road to rich, nigga. Ain't no navigation. No. Designed for you to fail, nigga. You ain't supposed
See what you can do in a nice neighborhood. Can't do this in the X. Hell no. All right, I was gonna get out of here, but now I am gonna get out of here after I open up this package from Scotch and Soda. I got another pickup coming too. Well, got another package coming in as well. Not from them, but remember I told y'all that they got the 70% joint going on. Matter of fact, I'm going to whip. Like I was saying, I told y'all in the last vid, what vid was that? The Flint selling out. I told y'all that Scotch and Soda had a sale going on, 70%, and you could finagle an extra 15% on that just by kind of like doing one of those signing up for the it was like a refer friend. All you had to do is just get two
Earl, leave that nigga alone.
email addresses of your choice, and that's what I did. But they ended up only having one pair of jeans for me, or one pair of pants, and this was the pair that I got. They also had a military green one. Like I said, I wanted those, but I went ahead and I've been needing a brown pair or a khaki pair of pants, so I ended up getting these size 34-32 from Scotch and Soda. The MSRP, well, the retail price was 149 bucks. I ended up paying, and that was because I messed up and I forgot to go back and put in the discount code. Damn, I forgot. I don't know, I paid about whatever 70% off of this is. My math is bad, but yeah, these are the joints right here. Let y'all see some of the shots when I get up to the room. Yeah, this is my first pair ever, and yo, okay, I'm liking the feeling. They're pretty sturdy. Can't wait to try them on, see what they look like. But you already know, since the length is a 32, gotta get hit up by Valaire's first before I even you know, decide to rock these joints. But I do like these. So I guess this is the Scotch and Soda Amsterdam's Blah or something. These are the Ralston. But yeah, so I finally got khaki pair of like jeans. Now I want like a darker brown pair, and I still want the damn a military green pair. I'm still on that wave, but I do like these, man. Especially, yo, the tag is straight. See the Scotch and Soda and a little sewing machine right there. Another thing that I like on here is it stands out. You see on the back pocket, you got the 3 X's stitched in right there. That's pretty nice. Sets it off. But yeah, I can't wait to rock these. This is dope for real. So anyway, man, yep, that's the end of the vid. I actually did see, and shout out to Windy City Soul. There was a an announcement put out, but we already knew that shit was getting pushed back. But it was an official announcement. Well, I don't know if it was an official announcement, but announcement was put out by none other than Michael Jordan. No, I'm just playing. But all Jordan brand releases originally scheduled for this weekend have been postponed by the brand in an effort to demonstrate their respect for the consumer, culture, community, and retail partners. Stay tuned to the timeline for future announcements and release details. Gosh, I'm glad I know how to read. No, just but anyway, man, I'm about to get up out of here. Y'all already know. 400 likes on this joint. I appreciate everybody that's been rocking with me. The next vid coming up, it might be another vlog. I am gonna bring to y'all that I'm gonna do that reso painting. You already know. What else? I don't know, man. You know, hopefully I get these 2 pairs of sneaks that I'm looking for, so we can get back to the dance fever. You know what I'm saying? But anyway, yo, about to get up out of here. Follow me on that Snap, follow me on that IG, follow me on that Twitter be. But that's Snups. It's your boy Wavy. You already know this is my channel, Mr. Orchard Beach. Like I always like to say, see you when I see you. Out.